Okay, LizardSkin is on and drying, and we get to move on to the next step soon. We had a sound layer and an insulation layer, a radiant barrier. We tried to be smart about where we used extra materials, so like extra sound layers here, extra radiant layers up there. Just tried to be efficient, and we learned some good stuff. You need lots of lighting. Get a headlamp so that you can see down in these corners when you're trying to spray in them. The can is very small, so you have to refill it a lot, so have someone help. And you can add a tube to your gun, which Explorist Life showed in a video. That was very helpful. You can put it into the 2-gallon container that stuff comes in, which is helpful. You can also use a drywall hopper. This and the 2-gallon, they both worked, and you get a lot of material. I'd say maybe do your first layer with one of those techniques and get all the big stuff, and then switch to the little container to get in all the nooks and crannies. And yeah, should go okay.